Ashur Brick Factory is the largest single-line brick manufacturing plant in Middle East. Our products of Iraqi bricks are utilizing the best of French automation technology, adhering to international standards. The factory is inside a 30,000 square meter building in Chamchamal, in Kurdistan region of Iraq. Our highly qualified team has over 30 years of experience in brick manufacturing. Our factory is utilizing the best of robotics and engineering processes, ensuring environmental friendliness. Our aim at Ashur Brick is to provide the highest quality of building materials, enabling safe and comfortable housing and buildings. Our product range varies according to market requirements in various sizes and strengths, including large clay blocks with strength of over 10 megapascals and lightweight partition hollow bricks in various sizes, in accordance with market requirements of Kurdistan and Iraq. Ashur Brick, towards a comfortable and healthy living. Address: Sulaymaniyah, Kirkuk Road, near Chamchamal. AshurBrick.com